2012 to 2015 Honda Civic with a bad CVT transmission or failing CVT transmission. Make sure you check this first. This hose right here. It's on the back of the air cleaner. And what you'll see is cracks like that. You see that crack? You can see daylight through it. It also has one on the back where you can see daylight right there. You can see daylight through those cracks right here. See, you can put my finger right through it. So what this does, that's a air duct hose or air cleaner hose. And that's just baking soda. I clean the battery. There's a MAF airflow sensor right here. And then you have your throttle plate or throttle body down there. And this senses the amount of air coming through. And what happens is, because it's pulling air here after there, it's getting more air, putting it into a lean mode, and it will pulse this MAF air sensor, causing air glitches, and it will cut the engine out. And it will feel exactly like your transmission is failing. And yeah, I mean, you could be on the hook for a $6,000, $8,000, $9,000 transmission repair and not even need it. It could just be that thing. And if you bring it to a Honda dealer, they'd probably catch it. But if you brought it to somebody unscrupulous, they'd throw a new transmission in because the CVTs can't be fixed. So that is a $20 part. And you can get it at O'Reilly or Napa, AutoZone, any of them. $20 part. Kind of hard to put on, but you can do it. And I did not take the airbox out. I probably should have. But I just pulled it out backwards, and then put the new one in backwards, and then put it on, and greased or sprayed the fittings with lube so that it would slide on, and then took the bands off, and then put the bands around, put the bands back on after I had it in, and then popped on all the hoses and connectors. It took me about an hour and a lot of cussing, but I did it. It would have been easier if I took the box out, but then the box was hard to get out, and it was a bunch of work, so I didn't want to do it. But just throwing that out there, it may save you transmission or buying a new car when you don't need a new car like us. Take care.